That's purty. We got the RX. We're gonna take this shroud off. And I have the car running. You don't have to, but it makes it easy to turn the wheel. Revealing. This one's actually pretty easy. There's another one on here. Yeah, there is. One right there. Let's get him out. Alright, so I spoke a little too soon. This puppy, this little entryway right there, that is for this right here. For this guy. So this, that lip right there, tucks into that lip. There you go. He wanted me to show you. Watch. So this, you see, snaps in. So this has to come outward. So you want to pull out. So you pull them apart from each other. You see? So you're going to have to get some finagling. But it does come out, as you see. Now this little puppy, there's also a little notch right there, which sits right there. This sort of has to come outward towards you and down. Having the car run is actually easier because the steering wheel will work when the car is. So you have to come around this puppy. And there we go. There are your guts. So, like it, don't like it, share it, don't share it, subscribe, don't subscribe. Thanks for watching.